What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Just Plays Kickspot back with another video, and today we are, well, my mom went out. She went to go run some errands real quick, but me, my little brother, and my mom are going to Sneaker Mania DC, and I'm bringing you guys with me. And this is my first time. Going. I heard about it last year, but I couldn't make any of the shows just because it was just like around the time the shows were like someone has something going on. So. But this year, we ready to be in there. I got my little brother's trying to get rid of these Safari phones. I got my Pantone 9s and my Pantone 9, Pantone 7s. Actually, not the Pantone 7s. Pantone 9s and the alternate 4s. The black ones, the black, blue. The black alternate motorsports. You know, yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, let me see something. I think that's really it. But I'm gonna get you guys when like my mom gets here and like we're leaving, and pretty much I'll probably put you guys back up when we're actually at the convention center and we're in Sneaker Mania. So yeah. Alright, YouTube, so we're back home. I'm tired. Yeah. I'm just really tired, to be honest. It was a long day. We got there around 1. We got there when it first opened. Came back, left at 4. Show until 7, so if Shabazz did come, because he was supposed to have a live performance. If he did come, oh well. I mean, I'm not too pressed about it, but it was all cool. I sold 1 pair of shoes, the fours I had, the alternate fours, and then I still have the 9s. I got offers for the 9s, and someone actually tried to buy the Air Maxes I was wearing, the Air Max 97, the anthracites, the orange bonds. I have a video on them, but yeah, just had a cool day. And yeah, I didn't buy anything. I was trying to look for some beaters that were there. There weren't a whole lot, and some of them, there were some, but some were asking for too much for a pair of beaters. So I was like, I'm not about to get them if they're like, yeah, if they're not like worth the price for it. So what the heck? And then some other shoes, I just think I was gonna, but it's cool. I'm not really looking for much. I was looking for a pair of flu games. Or a pair of like Thunder 14s or Thunder 4s. I'm actually sitting on my desk right now. Thunder 14s or Thunder 4s. I was looking for a pair of those. Couldn't find any. I found some of my size, but the price wasn't right. For at least I didn't want to pay that price that they had on it, and they weren't trying to go any lower. So yeah, but it was a cool day. Hope you guys enjoyed the little sneaker mania thing. I'm gonna try to go a little to more of these next year whenever they start coming back. I think they have like fall shows too, but I'm gonna definitely try to start going to these a little bit more, and hopefully like maybe soon, like SneakerCon will come to DC again like it used to. If it doesn't, alright, but hey, it was cool. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm gone.